Hope you enjoyed that little karate move. Anyway, it's Sunday, Saturday, maybe depending when I edit the video. Oh, I'm tired. Okay, so in this one, it's going to be one of those like really cool videos where I try something that most people say don't do, but I do it anyway because it's cheaper, saving money and all that good stuff. We've gone onto the old faithful website of eBay. It was advertising Typhoon air intakes for the 370Z. Now, if you guys know, you've got your AAM intakes, you've got your K&N style ones still in. Like an air intake is an air intake in my opinion. So the whole point is I'm trying to get across, do the cheap Chinese rip-off intakes, perform, act as good, look as good, and most of all, do they work? End of the day though, this cost a tenth of the cost of the AAM intake that I was thinking of trying to buy. If these aren't very good and pretty much, you know, going to be worse for the car, I'll just have to like get rid of them, put in the proper ones. So no one's losing out. So yeah, enough of me talking. Let's just go ahead and do this right now. Okay, so let's just flip the camera around and get on with it. Okay guys, so this is my second time filming this. I didn't turn the microphone on, which was really annoying. So yeah, that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's gonna be a tricky one, I think, personally, because people are so in between against like the cheaper makes, the no branded stuff, DIY, and then there's obviously the competition grade stuff like your AEM, your K&N filters, all of which was way out of my budget. It kind of blew it out. I was thinking, is there any point in doing it? Personally, for me, I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna even bother with it. So yeah, these were from eBay, which I will leave a link down below. I think it's an Alibaba seller or something that's just trying its luck on eBay. These didn't cost a lot at all. I'll leave a link to them down below if you guys are interested in looking at them. They did take, however, about 6 months to arrive. I personally forgot I even ordered them. So there's always that. Hopefully you guys noticed as well, the air intake pipe I actually had on the car was split, so these definitely would have cost less than what Nissan would have probably charged me to replace that part. And in my opinion, they look pretty good. Easily one thumbs up on it. The air filters themselves, I think maybe they're a little bit too small. Let me know what you think in the comments. I took it for a drive. It felt a little bit perkier. I think personally a placebo effect. The grunt you get when you sort of accelerate your car is definitely changed, which is cool. That's a plus side. One thing I do want to say is that these didn't come with instructions, which made it really difficult because it had brackets and bolts and stuff. and we was like, the hell do we do with this? But luckily we figured it out. Yeah, and then the other downside, I personally think it should have come with a heat shield. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching. I'm gonna leave 2 links up here to previous videos. Make sure you check those out if you get a chance. Subscribe to the channel if that's something you're into. I won't hold it against you if you don't want to, but it would make my Sunday feel pretty cool. If you want to see more videos, check them out somewhere down below. There'll be links, I reckon. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you next time, which will be the Wash Wednesday. Peace.